Hi, I'm Bill with Zor Outdoor, here on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. We're here today at Chapel Ledges in Ashfield, Massachusetts, trustees of the reservation's property. In this series, we're going to be talking about anchors for top rope rock climbing. Has the same factors of a stopper placement of how's the structure of the rock. Good macro structure? Yep, that's a good solid piece of rock. Good microstructure? Yep. Nothing loose, nothing gravelly, nice crack. So the specifics of placing a cam is you want the compression of the cam to be somewhere in the mid-range. You don't want to have to squash it all the way, and you don't want it all the way open when it goes in. So if you can compress it about midway and get it in, that's great. You want the cams to be even across the four of them, or three if it's a three cam, and you want to make sure that it's set back in there enough that it's not just teetering on the edge. So it's got good macrostructure, good microstructure. It's compressed midway, and each cam is working equally as hard as the rest. It's a nice solid cam placement.